Did you know that there's a secret economic indicator that can predict recessions? It's called the Men's Underwear Index, and it was first coined by former Federal Reserve Chairman Alan Greenspan. Here's how it works. When men are feeling confident about their finances, they are more likely to spend money on higher-end items like designer underwear. But when times are tough and men are worried about their job security, they'll stick with the basics and skimp on luxuries like fancy underpants. So if you want to know whether a recession is coming, just take a look at men's underwear sales. Of course, the Men's Underwear Index is just a joke, but there may be some truth to it. A study by 2 economists found that changes in men's underwear prices seem to correlate with economic activity. In other words, when the economy is doing well, men are more likely to spend money on nice underwear. However, when the economy is struggling, they'll stick with the basics. So why is this? The authors of the study suggest that it might have something to do with what economists call elasticity of demand. Basically, this means that people are willing to spend more on some items than others when their incomes rise or fall. Luxury items like designer underwear are what economists call inelastic goods. People will still buy them even when times are tough. On the other hand, elastic goods are things that people will cut back on when their incomes go down, like vacations or new clothes. So there you have it, the Men's Underwear Index by Alan Greenspan. Next time you're wondering whether the economy is about to take a nosedive, just take a look at your fellow man's briefs. If they are starting to look a little threadbare, chances are a recession is on its way.